everyone, I'm Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before we start the new letter, let's revise previous one. Letter G. Letter G. G, 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 G. Letter O. Letter O. O, O, O. Letter U. Letter U. O, O, O. Letter L. Letter L. 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 Okay. Now it's time to start the fifth letter of third group. Letter F. Letter F. Let's start with a short story. There was a little boy named Fred. One day he went to the beach with his friends. He had a large floating inflatable fish. First he played with his inflatable fish. Then he decided to make a sand castle. So he left the inflatable fish on the sand to dry. After some time he heard a sound like he saw a plug came out of the fish, making the sound like F. Yes, the sound of letter F is F. The action of letter F is F. So let's see how to write letter F. For letter F. For letter F. For letter F. For letter F. Okay. Now listen the words corresponding to the picture. What's this? Frog. Frog. What's this? Glass. Is it related to sound of letter F? No. So we cross out the picture. What's this? Flag. Flag. What's this? Fan. Fan. Okay. Let's blend the words. For a fit. For a fit. For a fat. For a fat. For a puff. For a puff. O for soft. O for soft. Okay. Now let's sing a song. My friends and I went to the beach with a floating fish. It got a hole and the air came out, making the sound F. Okay. That's all for today. See you in my next video with another letter. Till then, bye.